This iPad has MDM inside. First thing first, we reset the iPad. We'll open the three tools and go to the toolbox and go to the erase all the data. Now the iPad is erased. Now just wait for the iPad to full turn on. The MDM is still right there. Anyway, connect the Wi-Fi. As I told you, the MDM is still right there. Okay, just click back again. Now the iPad is connected. Go to the iBMT MDM tool. And before that, please, first thing first, you should disable Windows security or the antivirus that you have. So we go right here and search for the Windows security. It's right here. I already disabled it. Go right there, manage settings, and make all these options off. You should off them, all of them, and then open the tool. So we'll go right here, activate device. The device will ask the serial number. Serial number is not authorized. Please register the serial number. Okay, so go right here and copy the serial number and send it to me on Telegram or WhatsApp. As I told you guys, just copy the serial number. It's right here. It's copied successfully, and send it to me on WhatsApp or Telegram. The serial number is registered instantly, and then click activate the device. As I told you guys, when the serial number is registered successfully, just click activate device and wait. I'll show you now the iPad. So it's perfect. Remove it. As you see now, remove MDM successfully. As you see now, it's all done. There's no MDM right now. It's all done.